What's amazing about 25 King is that it's not a vanity project or a demonstration project, it's a completely commercially viable alternative to concrete and steel construction.
The design for 25 King had to be very precise very early on. Any services that were to be put in had to be specified and dimensioned and located at its final location. So the coordination process was a very detailed and very precise process.
It was a different way than we're used to working. We're used to doing more of a design intent for the project, and in the construction phase defining the final features and the final elements that are going within the space. We didn't really have that luxury on this project, and that's where Revit really helped out. We were actually pretty proud of the fact that there was just about nothing that was cut on site after the fact. Led to zero wastage on site. All of the timber elements arrived and were placed into their final location without having to be cut down.
Well, using the AEC Collection, we're able to use Revit as the authoring tool. It's very accurate, it's very high precision. We can coordinate and work with other file formats. We use BIM 360 as a platform to do this. We can all work in real time, we can share those models, we're highly coordinated.
By being able to do that, we saved so much time in the construction process. We actually made it so that the building could have a turnaround of a few days to install each floor plate, and that was due to the coordination that we put into to begin with.
BIM 360 is an excellent tool, especially for our very complex and large developments. We have a number of developments that require interface with other designers, several consultants. Gives us a quicker turnaround of design development, design changes, and more security in delivering a project.
When the client would come to us with something they wanted to test, we could very quickly turn around different design options that had a high degree of accuracy to enable them to make their decisions quickly with a great degree of certainty. It allows us to give the client better value for money because the more precision and accuracy we have early on means we can maximise any lettable floor area for them.
We find visualisation very important to clearly communicate to our clients the design intent. Particularly say for 25 King where we expose the services, visualisation of the interiors and the integration of services really helped our clients and tenants understand the sort of environment they would be moving into.
3ds Max really was about selling the building to others and selling the story and allowing us to view it in a way that looked and felt real. Often when you're looking at something that's a cruder version of the building, when you're looking at the line drawings, people don't understand the materiality and the quality that you're really after. And 3ds Max really lets people inhabit the building in a way that just the standard line drawings don't.